every recording Monday the 26th, I believe. Making a new recording for every one of them. We had to take it inside today because it's too cool outside for the pups, but they're very active, very healthy. There's a mama waiting on us, Coley. She's a good mama, and then now Deborah's going to start taking them up. She's going to pick them up one at a time and try to give us a good picture of them. I hope I'm doing a pretty good job. I hope. I'm not a professional. See if you can find me number 1 and his name.
Turn it off.
I can't turn it off.
Yes, you can. Gotta answer the phone.
The best mix of yesterday and today. The new mix. 96.9. Funny Osmond here. Getting a couple of the voice of Josh Gordon. February 5th, but you can get started next week on iTunes. It's Josh's first album in 3 years.
This is number 1.
Kate.
Who? Caton, and it's male. Very healthy, very good looking. So that's number 1. Okay, let me hand me Deborah. So we know we took them. She's on number 2 now.
Everything's more romantic when you're in love. Let Cupid.com help you find the perfect someone. So check out the profiles of hundreds of amazing single people in your
Damala.
area seeking love.
Number 2, Damala, which in African means beautiful. And it's a female? It's a female with the green. Okay, that's number 2. We're going to have to find number 3 now. Mama's still watching to see what we're doing.
Regular oil changes help save your engine from wear. And doing the job yourself helps you save money too. Come into AutoZone today with everything you need to get the job done. Now you can get a 5+ quart oil change jug of Valvoline conventional motor oil and an SDP oil.
We're looking at males.
Look at number 3.
Restrictions to take. Trust the experts at AutoZone to help you get the most for your car and your dollar every time. Price are just part of what we do.
Is that wrong? We might have to start over, Mike.
Hold on, we start over.